Hi, I am AV Mates, also known as Karmaniket. I have been a builder since I was a kid, always breaking and making things, and sometimes sketching. In 2011, I accidentally watched Iron Man. That moment changed everything. I started building cardboard exosuits and promised myself one day I would build my own Iron Man armor. I grew up on Discovery shows and read this book my father gave me. I learned more from those than I ever did in my municipal school. I have also been inspired by the work of Hacksmith, Alex Lab, Jay Laser, and other core engineers. They fueled what was already inside me. And when people tell me this, I can't believe it because their works are masterpieces and mine, built in a tiny space, feels like nothing compared to them. I already knew about differentials, gears, and crankshafts by the time I was just 9. Back then, I truly believed that sheer passion alone would pave the way to my future. But life taught me a hard lesson. Passion, no matter how intense, isn't always enough, especially when you lack the financial resources to access top tier education and opportunities. Those experiences opened my eyes to a profound truth. Early exposure to knowledge, technologies, and ideas plays a pivotal role in shaping our lives and potential. Whether it's hands-on learning, information, cutting-edge tools, those formative moments can ignite curiosity, build foundational skills, and create pathways that might otherwise remain out of reach. I've been pursuing my passion through self-learning, often relying on free resources, while also carrying enthusiasm for physics, research, and innovation. When my father gave me my first phone, I created a YouTube channel, AV Mates. AV is my name. Mates came from this show. My English was bad. I didn't even know it should have been made, but I kept it as it is because it felt unique to me. I stacked 2 boxes and a piece of polystyrene foam to make my first smartphone stand and started recording. I uploaded my first video, clicked publish, and felt that pure dopamine rush. We had no Wi-Fi, data was limited. I used to sit outside a store till 1 am just to upload videos. Views didn't matter. I just loved creating. A lot of you asked me about my left hand. When I was 3, my left hand and right leg got burnt in a bonfire in my village. My parents said it was an accident, but deep down I know it wasn't. It was a property dispute. How could only my left hand and right leg burn in the 3rd degree and not the rest of my body? With no financial support, my parents did everything they could. We were barely surviving. Still, I'm grateful. They gave me the life and opportunities they never had. And I believe the universe spared this one hand for a reason. In school, I was bullied and beaten for being different. But my curiosity never stopped me from learning. In 2021, I started calisthenics and running to overcome my weaknesses. And I need to be strong enough to build my armor. I am not a nerd or a scholar with tier 1, 2 or 3 college tag, nor do I have an engineering degree. Just an average guy learning science and tech to make my 12-year-old self proud. During my bachelor's degree or after getting my first second-hand laptop, at the end of my first year, I learned the fundamentals of various technologies, as much as my laptop could handle, and also built my personal website from scratch. I stay humble because I will never forget where and how I started. That small room was my lab. Every video, even my Iron Man reactor, was built there. Yes, my bucket list has these. In 2024, we moved to a slightly bigger room, better walls, fewer roaches, and after years, I finally got a new laptop, Wi-Fi, and a study table. But I still break my spine because I have to build my major projects on the floor. It's quite difficult to record my voice as I live in slum area. I am truly grateful for my phone and laptop. They have become the single best investment of my life. These two devices didn't just help me learn, they opened doors to knowledge, skills, and creativity I never thought possible. More than that, they have given me a platform to express who I really am and share my passion with the world. From late night tutorials to building, filming, and connecting with all of you. Thank you to these incredible tools that keep proving that access and determination can outweigh anything else. I had a lot of ideas back then, but couldn't make them real because of financial struggles and limited space. So I decided to design and document them for the future when I will have the resources to build them. I may not live in a cave, but I am building my Iron Man suit literally from a box of scraps. I am also seeking a job to support my parents with room rent and bills as my father is diabetic while keeping my passion alive. And now you know why my videos are delayed. I have always dreamed of buying a house for my parents, a place they can call their own, free from rent. And in that home, I will have my own room with a cool setup where I can build anything my heart desires. Isn't it amazing that we work our entire lives just to experience those rare moments which are ordinary days for most? It's not easy, but failing is better than living with regrets. And this isn't for sympathy. There are people like me all over the world. I just want to tell you, everything is possible if you are obsessed and disciplined. Never give up. The real challenge is staying the same curious artist you were as a kid. My background and experiences have made me who I am. I'm not successful enough yet to tell you all this, but I don't chase success anymore. I chase moments that make me feel alive. So yeah, that's my journey till now. Next year I will turn 22 and I hope things will get better soon. Thank you all for your support. I am still learning, still trying, still failing. If you would like to support this journey and help me keep creating these builds and sharing what I have learned along the way, the best ways are simple. Subscribe to the channel, watch the video, and if you are able, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. Your support truly means the world.